सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ध्येय आईएएस चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Recently, the Global Nutrition Report 2020 was released. According to this report, India is among 88 countries that are likely to miss global nutrition targets by the year 2025. Not only this, the report identifies India as a country with the highest rate of domestic inequalities in malnutrition. The pandemic COVID-19 has exposed the weakness of food and health system. The report stresses that there is a need to address malnutrition in all its form. The 2020 Global Nutrition Report looks beyond global and national patterns, revealing significant inequalities in nutrition outcomes within countries and populations. Based on the best data available, the report identifies critical actions to achieve nutrition equity. Everyone deserves access to health, affordable food, and quality nutrition care. In today's edition of RDNS, we will look into what the report has to say about the global nutrition level and especially about India. In the year 2012, 6 nutrition targets were identified for maternal, infant, and young children nutrition to be met by the year 2025. This target was identified by World Health Assembly. It required the governments to reduce stunting by 40% in children under age 5 and prevalence of anemia by 50% among women in the age group of 19 to 49 years, ensure 30% reduction in low birth weight and no increase in childhood overweight, increase the rate of exclusive breastfeeding in the first 6 months up to at least 50%, and reduce and maintain childhood wasting to less than 5%. The report 2020 at the global level found that most people across the world cannot access or afford healthy food. This is due to agricultural systems that favor calories over nutrition and low cost of highly processed food. Inequalities exist across and within countries as per the report. The report also found that 1 in 9 people is hungry, whereas 1 in 3 is overweight or obese. In terms of India, the report mentions that India will miss its target for all the 4 nutritional indicators for which there is data available, that is stunting among under 5 children, anemia among women of reproductive age, childhood overweight, and exclusive breastfeeding. If we talk about stunting in India, it is identified as among the 3 worst countries, along with Nigeria and Indonesia. Stunting level in Uttar Pradesh is over 40%, and their rate among individuals in the lowest income group is more than double those in the highest income group at 22.0% and 50.7% respectively. In addition to this, stunting prevalence is 10.1% higher in rural areas compared to urban areas. In cases of overweight and obesity, there are nearly double as many obese adult females as there are males, 5.1% female compared to 2.7% male. The report calls for change in food system. Fresh or perishable foods are less accessible and affordable in many parts of the world compared to staple grains, whereas processed food, especially ultra-processed food, are available, cheap, and intensively marketed with sales high and growing fast in many parts of the world, including India. These changes demand policy and planning resources to promote desirable nutrition outcomes. Solutions have started to emerge across the world. These include increased public investment for healthier food products, support for shorter supply chains for fresh food delivery programs, use of fiscal instruments, limiting advertising of junk food and food reformulation, or the use of front-of-pack labeling to inform consumers and influence industry behavior. The findings of the 2020 Global Nutrition Report makes it very clear that tackling malnutrition should be at the center of our global health response.